Hello, Jenny. Hello, Tony. Oh, Gogo! Sorry. Wow!
He's cold and wet. Have you got a towel?
No, I haven't.
She's got a towel.
Thank you. Look, they've got drinks. Look.
Has he got drinks? Yes, he has. He's got drinks. Orange juice, please. Have you got towels? No, we haven't. They haven't got towels, Gogo.
They've got towels now.
Oh! Don't worry. The towels are magic. Look out!
Have you got a camera?
No, we haven't.
They haven't got a camera.
Jenny's got a camera.
Look, Jenny. He's got an umbrella. He hasn't got an umbrella now. And he hasn't got a towel.
Gogo, that's naughty.
Thank you. You're kind.
He hasn't got a drink.
Thank you.
Oh.
They've got sausages, Pod.
Yes, they have. They've got sausages.
Have we got sausages?
No, we haven't.
What have we got?
We've got eggs.
Good. We've got eggs. She's got an apple. Have we got apples?
No, we haven't.
He's got a drink. GB, Tappy, come here, please. They've got sausages. We've got eggs. She's got an apple. He's got a drink.
They've got sausages, we've got eggs. She's got an apple, he's got a drink.
They've got sausages, we've got eggs. She's got an apple, he's got a drink.